Are you ready to transform your business dreams into a lasting legacy? Imagine a future where your entrepreneurial vision thrives and grows. Coming in 2025, the groundbreaking ebook, Empowered Banking: How to Leverage Minority-Owned Banks and Credit Unions, will be your ultimate guide. This comprehensive resource reveals the real way to build business credit and secure your financial future. Learn the secrets of financial empowerment, understand the benefits of minority-owned financial institutions, and take control of your business destiny. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your entrepreneurial journey. This essential guide is meticulously designed for ambitious entrepreneurs who are ready to unlock the little-known secret of leveraging minority-owned banks and credit unions. By doing so, they can build secured business credit, which is a crucial step in establishing a strong financial foundation for their ventures. It's the proven strategy that African Americans need to know to not only survive, but truly thrive in the competitive business world. This guide provides the insights and tools necessary to navigate the financial landscape with confidence and success. With this ebook, you'll learn how to build real secured business credit step by step, secure funding tailored for your business needs, leverage trusted financial institutions that empower your community. Pair this with our popular From Hustle to Legacy ebook, a comprehensive guide designed specifically for aspiring entrepreneurs and seasoned business owners alike. This ebook offers a complete roadmap to business success, covering everything from initial startup strategies to advanced growth techniques. Empower yourself with knowledge and actionable strategies to grow your business the real way, ensuring long-term sustainability and profitability. Secure your legacy today. Pre-order Empowered Banking now, and be among the first to unlock the secrets to building your business and your legacy. The journey to financial freedom starts here. Empowering Black entrepreneurs to build wealth. These ebooks are brought to you by One World Realty and the Mortgage Owl.